Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins. So today I'm really excited because I am back from vacation and I got a ton of boxes when I returned. Sadly, there was a lot of delays on a few of my boxes, due to COVID. Everyone's still adjusting, and FedEx has been a hot mess for me. And so my original plan was to go live and do most of my unboxings, but YouTube decided no, Janet, not today. And it told me I need to do a software download, so I couldn't do my live like I had hoped. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my unboxings for my subscriptions and film those, and then I'm gonna schedule a live unboxing for Friday, you guys. So hopefully you guys can stay tuned. Friday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, I will be going live and doing an unboxing of all my orders that I have done in the month of July and June, because there's a few that I actually haven't opened. But for today's video, as you guys read from my title, I'm gonna be doing the box by Fashionsta, which is also a monthly subscription, and it now retails for $24.99 per month. I was grandfathered in when it was still $19.99, but after the new year it had gone up. Thank you, baby Jesus, because now it's back on track, and these are our July boxes. Due to COVID, they did have to shut down shipments actually for some time, because in the Los Angeles area, and they're in California, they weren't allowed to do any kind of shipping. They weren't allowed to be in their offices and things like that. So this is one of those smaller indie boxes that I really love and enjoy. I am an affiliate to Fashionsta for their regular website. They have a website just like Beautylish and things like that, where you guys can go shop. I have a 20% off discount code if you guys would like to use it and check what they have out, because they have some really great products from like affordable to high-end on there. Before I go any further, well, please make sure, if you haven't done so, to hit that subscribe button. And if you do like my content and you like me, I would love if you could give me a big ol' thumbs up. And also, as a reminder, I do have an active giveaway, so please make sure that you guys head on over to the other video, which I will link up in the cards, and enter the giveaway. And as a reminder, engaging in any other of my videos is an extra entry. And also, if you subscribe to my blog and check it out, that's also an extra entry as well. So make sure you guys go do that. It has another week left, so next week I will be announcing a winner. But anyways, let's get to it and let's begin this unboxing. And at the end of the video, I will be, again, because I couldn't go live, at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys the 2 new products I'll be adding to the giveaway. Woo! So let's begin the unboxing. I got my little scissors, and again, see, not opened. Whoop, there goes my card. So Fashionsta always does a beautiful job with the packaging, has their paper, and here's my sneak peeks. And there's our card, and it tells me my overall value is $147.50. So let me put her down and let's begin. So this is my first product right here. This is right here from We Are Wild. Solid Block Mineral Sunscreen, which retails for $26. Cool, let's see. Now that I'm getting more into sunscreen, I'm very appreciative. Oh, this is cool. This is a stick form, so that makes it much easier for application. It does have like a scent. It's not bad, it's just, I don't know why it kind of reminds me of medicine in a way. Let's see what it says. This solid stick glides smooth and feels invisible, appropriate for oily, dry, normal, or combination skin types. Formulated with non-nano minerals and safe broadband spectrum UVA UVB protection, SPF 35++. Don't call it sunblock. It's solid block, vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and TSA friendly. So that's always great. I'll definitely give it a whirl again. I'm more into sunscreen nowadays, so why not? Ooh, and it does have cannabis in it, so that is really cool. And this guy right here is from Habit. This is the Ultimate Multi-Use Cream, retails for $28. Ooh, I love cream products, you guys. This is adorable packaging. It's a tin. It says multi-use cream. This is definitely a different shade. It's for a darker skin tone, but that's not bad. Too bad I already have blush that would clash. And it blends out pretty nicely, so no real scent actually to this, so that's good. I'm definitely excited to test this out, you guys. I've never heard of this brand, but that's actually the nice thing about the box. They tend to give us a lot of up and coming and indie brands, and so many of times I've found incredible gems with the box that I obsess over. Like my last month's box, the facial priming oil, oh, it's one of my favorites, and I've been using it often, especially when I use more of a matte foundation. It's from the Beauty Crop. This is the Sun Gazing eyeshadow palette, which retails for $24. Let's open her up. So this is a nice little simple eyeshadow palette, very neutral. It's very nice, very neutral palette. For me, I'm like, it's too neutral. I have plenty of neutral palettes, so I'm not gonna use this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this actually for a future giveaway for you guys, because my 2K is coming and I'm stockpiling, you guys. I am. So I'm gonna save this for you guys. It only has two mattes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like shimmer shades and 3 glitters. That's kind of restrictive, but next is this bad boy right here. This is from Moon Slice Beauty, called Moonshine. It retails for $25, and it says organic 18 botanical oil blend that is totally pure, which is the way your skin would love to have it. Curated with nature's fruit basket with avocado, apples, watermelon, and everything in between, to create a fruitful antioxidant potion that boosts radiance and balances your complexion. I like using facial oils, and it says it's meant for all skin type. Even my husband likes using facial oils actually, and he wasn't happy with the couple facial oils we've gotten recently. So I'm glad to be able to try this out myself. And this is actually really cool. It has a spray bottle. Ooh, that squirts, so I'd be careful. Oh, look at that. Oh, it has such a nice, it has like a sweet cotton candy. It has like a candy fragrance to it. I love it. Ooh, what's this? This is really adorable packaging right here. This is Base Blue, the Air Sponge Full Coverage. It's it retails for $8. It says flawless buff and blend out heavy duty makeup formula like foundation and concealers. I'm always looking to try new foundation, new sponges. So this is pretty firm, so I'll definitely have to see how it feels once it's wet. Definitely the tip would be great for the under eye. I'm not sure about foundation because usually I like it a little bit more squared off, but I will definitely say it'll probably be perfect for the cream products, like the cream product we just got. That would be perfect to apply. So definitely excited to try this out. And then for my last item, which I'm really excited to try, my husband fell in love with their facial oil we got, or facial serum, I forgot what it was at this point, for his first mint box, and I'm so glad to be able to try this. This is from Fig and Yarrow. This is their Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. It retails for $36. It says an ultralight organic hydrating cream formulated to renew, protect, and hydrate the delicate eye area. Potent antioxidants and cell-nourishing botanicals aid in the minimalization of the superficial fine lines and cruelty-free. So that is awesome. And it comes with 0.5, which is actually really good for, that's a full size for an eye cream. Overall, I feel like my items were really good. Now, the palette was not to my liking, only because it was way too neutral for me. And again, I want a little bit, I don't mind neutral palettes. I just want some color, some pizzazz basically. But other than that, I love everything else. Again, even for the $25 a month, again, $24.99, that's the new retail. This box would have still been definitely worth it. I mean, these two brands right here, I've been wanting to try this brand's products, and I've been wanting to try something else from Fig and Yarrow. So these two absolutely made it for me, and I'm excited to test everything else out. So yeah, now for the exciting news, you guys. What am I adding to my giveaway? So I received my PR package and I ordered some extra for you guys, okay? This was not part of my PR. This is something I added extra. I added the clean canvas. You guys know how much I love clean canvas, and I wanted to make sure and share it with you guys. And I added the Lip Medic. The Lip Medic is a lip scrub in buttercream, and I want to be able to share these with you, so I got them. And you guys, these are sold out as well. Like I said, I preach about them. Well, lip balm, it's new, but many people I've seen really enjoy it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. But you guys know how much I love the clean canvas, and I wanted to make sure you guys got to try it out. So yeah, so these are officially part of my giveaway. So again, make sure, if you haven't done so, check out my previous unboxing video, which I'll have linked up above and down in the cards. This video is considered an extra entry, so you do need to go back to the original. And if you subscribe to my blog or leave a comment, that's also considered an extra entry as well. So the card, let me know what you guys think down in the comments about my July The Box by Fashionsta. Did you guys like the box? Did you not like the box? If you did like the box, what was your favorite item from the unboxing? And also, for those who entered the giveaway and are excited for it, because not everyone is, are you guys excited to see these two bad boys? I hope you are. But anyways, thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you so much. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, whatever time it is for you at this time. Goodbye.